Hey everybody, Mark Anthony Germanos here with another 2-minute tip. Today, I'm not talking about computers or networks. Instead, I'm talking about forgiveness. Yes, I'm asking you to identify something or some person that pissed you off in 2010 and release them. You'll find that you become stronger, happier, and healthier. Now here's a story. I hope you'll enjoy it. Two monks are walking alongside a river. They come across a woman. She says, "Hi, can one of you pick me up and carry me across the river?" The first monk says, "Yes, I can do that." He picks her up, he carries her across the river. The other monk follows. When they all get to the other side, the first monk puts down the woman. She says thank you, and she walks away. The two monks walk in the other direction. 2 hours later, the second monk says, "I still don't understand why you carried that woman across the river." The first monk says, "Are you still carrying that woman? I put her down 2 hours ago." Hey everybody, have a safe and happy New Year's. Mark Anthony Germanos with your 2-minute tip.